MCQ of computer organization. The sequence of operation performed by CPU in processing an instruction. That is the sequence of operation performed by the CPU in processing an instruction. Answer is instruction cycle. Option A of question number 1 is instruction cycle. That is the swap. That is the steps. That's the step during which new instruction is read from memory. That is fetch, or by which instructions are selected for execution. Definitely instruction sequencing. Then placed in the instruction register. Instruction register রাখা instructionটা কি করে তারপর সেটা program counter is ASCII code, American Standard Code for Information Interchange, ASCII. How many bits of EBD, EBC, DIC? Full form is EBC, DIC, full form হচ্ছে Extended Binary Coded Decimal Information Interchange. That is 8. Answer is 8. Unit act as the brain of the computer, which control other peripheral and interfaces. Timing and control unit. Which are the benefits of input-output interrupt? It is an external analogy to exception. The processor initiate and perform all I operation. Transfer into memory through the interrupt handler. All of these. Answer is all of these. Input-output interrupt আমরা কি পাই এটা external analogy to exception. Exception হলে এই কনসেপ্টটা input-output interrupt থ্রু দিয়ে আমরা হ্যান্ডেল করি. The processor initiate I operation করে in all of these sensor. All of these. When generating physical address from logical address, the offset is stored in relocation register. আমরা জানি relocation register যেখানে offsetটা স্টোর থাকে তারপর সাথে কন্টেন্টটা যোগ হয়. Relocation are the causes of interrupt in any single device. Yes. In any processor board device. Yes. In device ID number is stored in the address bus. All of the above is the right answer. Which interrupt save all registers and flags? Answer is input output interrupt. It save all registers and flags. Which are the following approaches used to design control unit? Hardware control unit and microprogram control unit. There are two types of control unit: hardware and microprogram, both A and B. Which of the following technique used to effectively which of the following techniques used to effectively utilize the main memory? Dynamic linking. The dynamic linking through the main memory effectively use করতে পারি. It's called the container program counter is location address of executable instruction, and the program counter transferred to when subroutine is called container program counter is location address of executable instruction. Following instruction is stored on stack and subroutine, and program execution is transferred to address. Option D is correct. 14, question number D. Which algorithm is multiplication algorithm which multiplies two signed binary number? Booth algorithm using two's complement notation. Booth algorithm. Which algorithm in mathematical expresses the outcome of the process of division of integer by another? That is a division algorithm. This number is said to be normalized if the most significant position of the matrix contain non-zero digit floating point numbers. Answer is floating point number. ADD stand for vector address, which may be classified as a processor with the direct memory access capability that communicate with that devices. We know that input-output processors that has access direct capability that communicate with IO devices. That operation are result of IO operation that are written in the computer program. That is programmed IO. As interrupt establish a priority over the various sources to determine which request should be entertained first. Answer is priority interrupt. Priority interrupt. Which technique is used to determine the highest priority resources by means of software? That is polling by means of software. The method is used to establish priority by serially connecting all the devices that request an interrupt. Answer is daisy chain priority interrupt. There is a serially connection of devices. In dash addressing technique, separate address space is used for both memory and IO devices. There is a separate address admin আইসোলেটেড আইও ম্যাপিং এ আমাদের মেমোরির জন্য যে মেমোরি স্পেস ইউজ হয় আর আইওর জন্য যে আইও ডিভাইসের জন্য মেমোরি স্পেস সেটা আলাদা। মেমোরি ম্যাপ পাইওতে কি হয়, যে মেমোরির জন্য যে অ্যাড্রেস স্পেসটা ইউজ হয় আর আইও ডিভাইসের জন্য যে অ্যাড্রেস স্পেসটা ইউজ হয়, দুটো একটা মেমোরি পার্টে ইউজ হয়। তাহলে এটা যেটা অ্যাড্রেস স্পেস ইউজ বোথ, সেটা মেমোরি ম্যাপ আইওতে ইউজ হয়। আর যে সেপারেট সেটা আইও ম্যাপ আইওতে ইউজ হয়। অ্যান্সার ইজ isolated IO. Cache is a single address space for storing both memory and IO devices. Single address space means memory map IO. It is a single control line that informs destination unit that a valid is available on the bus. Answer is probe. Probe is a single control line that destination unit is valid available on the bus. Probe. Mode of transfer between computer and IO devices are programmed IO, interrupt IO, DMA, dedicated processors such as IOP and DCP. All of these is the correct answer. Four types of command is received by an interface. Answer is control, then status, then data output and data input. Answer is IA. Control, status, data output and data input. These are the four commands. Mode of transfer between computer and IO devices is that is computer and IO device mode of transfer is all of these. Cache is a special purpose dedicated processor that is designed specially to transfer a network. That is data communication processor DCP. Data communication special processor যেটা data transfer network এ করার জন্য ডিজাইন করানো আছে DCP. CPU detect and interrupt it, then save its current state. Answer is current state. Current state টা সেভ করে তারপর জাম্প করে যায়। Statement is true or false for cache memory. Cache memory is a high-speed buffer which are inserted between processor and main memory. That is true. They can also be inserted between main memory and mass storage. Yes, this is true. And another is it can be used as secondary memory. No, it cannot be used. This means true, true, false. Option C is the correct. Address mapping is done when the program is initially loaded is called. Address mapping সেখান থেকে করা হয় যেখান থেকে প্রোগ্রামটা লোড করা অ্যাড্রেস দেওয়া থাকে, that is static relocation. Static relocation. What is the range of the 8-bit signed binary number? -128 to +127. In both algorithm, if q0 equal to 0 and q-1 equal to 0, then it will perform which operation? That is arithmetic shift operation. When both are 0, 0, there is only shift operation. Shift operation. Right shift. In both algorithm, if q0 equal to 1 and q-1 that is equal to 0, that is qn plus 1 actually, is perform which operation? That is a equal to a minus m. Which operation q0 equal to 0 and q-1 equal to 1, then it perform a equal to a plus m. In both algorithm, multiplier is 1 0 0 0 0 and multiplier is 1 1 0 0 1. Each are 5 bit, so there are 5 cycle is required. Answer is 5. Next, what is the function of accumulator? It read write a word from memory, specified address from memory, hold the result of arithmetic logic operation. Answer is hold the result of arithmetic and logical operation. C. Which representation gives two form of 0? Which representation give two forms of 0? That is sign representation of 0. It can be plus 0 or minus 0. Relation between sign exponent e and bias exponent e dash. E equal to e dash minus 127. Answer is e equal to e dash minus 127. What is the relation between sign exponent e and bias exponent double precision? That is e equal to e dash 1023. E equal to e dash minus 1023. Of IEEE single precision floating point number. Answer is plus or minus, either it can be plus or minus 0.1 m into e to the power e dash minus 1023. Answer is C. Single precision representation of this number. আমরা জানি IEEE single precision number এ 1 sign bit এর জন্য রিজার্ভ থাকে, 8 bit exponent এর জন্য, and others remaining bit হচ্ছে 23 bit হচ্ছে আমরা জানি আমরা স্টোর থাকে ম্যান্টিসের জন্য। তো এইখানটা আমাদের ফার্স্ট অফ অল বাইনারিতে কনভার্ট করতে হবে। সে বাইনারিতে কনভার্ট করার পর সেটা এটা ডেফিনেটলি পজিটিভ নাম্বার, তো স্টার্ট উইথ দ্য 0 দিয়ে স্টার্ট হবে। নেগেটিভ নাম্বার নয়, কারণ নেগেটিভ নাম্বার হলে এটা 1 দিয়ে স্টার্ট হতো, তাহলে প্রথম বিটটাই দেখতে পাচ্ছি এখানে 0 যে দুটো অপশন আছে সেটা হতে পারে। এবার আমাকে ম্যান্টিসা আগে পয়েন্টে বানিয়ে নিয়ে বাইনারিতে ফরম্যাট করে দেখতে হবে দশমিকটা কটা ঘরের পরে আসে বাইনারিতে কনভার্ট করবো। সেই অনুযায়ী আমাদের ইকুয়াল টু ইডাস যেটা আমরা ক্যালকুলেট করছি ইকুয়াল টু ইডাস সময় আমরা ই যেটা বেরোবে যেটা দেওয়া পাচ্ছি সেটার সাথে 127 আমাদের অ্যাড করতে হবে, যদি এক্সপোনেন্ট আমরা 6 বিটের পাই বা 7 বিটের পাই তার সাথে বাইনারি, তারপর তার বাইনারি কনভার্ট করে সেটা লেখা হবে। লাস্ট বিটটা হচ্ছে আমার ডেফিনেটলি ম্যান্টিসা যেটা 23 বিট। তো এখান থেকে আমি যদি ক্যালকুলেশন করি তাহলে অ্যান্সার পাচ্ছি 0 মধ্যে অপশন রাইট হবে, তার মধ্যে রাইট অ্যান্সার ইজ ডি। Which representation is commonly used by computers? That is 2's complement representation. What function of mark? It is used to specify the address of the memory. Answer is at. Which architecture store program and data in memory? That is von Neumann architecture. Control bus. What is the significance of control bus? It is used to generate and transfer the control signal. That is used to transfer and generate control signal. Answer is D. So this is the end of the. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is the MCQ question of computer architecture. Thank you very much for watching this.